What's up, guys? This is English Grammar Explained, and in this presentation I want to do this exercise 8 from Roundup Grammar 5 book. And here we have some pictures, and we have to write sentences about these pictures using tenses of infinitive. Look at the pictures and answer the questions as an example. And if I look into this example, I am not sure you see this answer, but are the children playing video games? That's the question. And then the answer, yes, they appear to be playing video games. Okay, so what do we have here? Of course, we have this subject. And then we have some verb. That's the main verb. This is subject, this is main verb. And then we have some form of infinitive. And in this case, we have continuous infinitive, to be playing. If I look at the picture, I see some children, some kids or young people, and they are playing video games right now. So the main message here, now they are playing. That's very, very important. And just the other way of saying this thing, now they are playing, this is it. That's quite the same thing. You can say, now they are playing video games, or you can say, they appear to be playing video games. And this verb here, appear, is just like link verb, or linking verb as it is called. It doesn't mean anything important. You can ignore it. But it has to be here, because you cannot put infinitive just after your subject. That's wrong. So here we have some action now. What about picture number 2? Has Mrs. Erickson been working on the computer? So what do we have here? Here we have the question with present perfect continuous. Basically, it means that she started working on her computer, in the past, some time in the past, and maybe she has just finished, or she is still working. So first, she started in the past, and she is still working. So we have a process here, and this process is about past. And here I have to use perfect continuous infinitive. Why? Because it's action in the past. You may say, maybe it's action in the past, but I see that she is still working. Yes, she is still working. Sure, she is. But she started the action in the past. That's very important. Action started in the past. So here I use this structure. She seems to have been working on her computer. Number 3. Have the Hendersons gone to the zoo? Here I have present perfect. As easy as that. That's present perfect. I have this have as auxiliary verb, and this main verb, gone. So, what is this? In fact, it's past action. They have already gone to the zoo. So in my answer, I say like this. Yes, They appear to have gone to the zoo. They have already gone there. Well, what about number 4? Is Alice returning home from work? Well, it seems to me that she really is returning home from work. So here I have continuous present. Here is the auxiliary verb. That's the main verb. And I have to use some tense of infinitive that shows me the process now. Some action now. And that's continuous infinitive. Well, I'm not quite sure that she is returning home. Maybe she's going to work, actually. Well, I will use seems. Yes, Alice or she seems to be returning home from work. And that's it. Well, number 5. Has Rita hurt her ankle? Well, here I have another present perfect. Auxiliary verb and main verb. So that's present perfect. That's the action that has already taken place. So that's the action in the past. I need to use some form of infinitive or some tense of infinitive that shows me the action in the past. And, well, let's pretend I don't know what to do, what to put here. Let me look into my rule. Well, here I have present infinitive, present tense. Well, it doesn't fit. I want to have some form of past. Well, perfect infinitive, past fact. Well, that's it. That's just the thing I need. Here I have some past fact. So I use perfect infinitive. Yes, she happens or happened to have hurt her leg, her ankle, sorry. Well, if I don't like link verbs, well, some people don't like them. Well, I may use some modal verb. For example, yes, she must have hurt. That's just the same thing. And we are done. That is exercise number 8. Thanks for watching. Leave comments and subscribe. See you.